Welcome everybody. This is Bio B with Mr. Olson. Glad to have all you guys here today. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. This is now the fourth time I'm making this singular video. Holy crap. Okay? I keep messing up. I keep forgetting things. So, I'm hoping the fourth time is the perfect time. Okay? Now, today, guys, you already must be in my Google Classroom, hence you're watching the video. So either you got the email from me or you got the link off of Synergy, okay? So either you're in my fourth or my fifth hour biology class, Bio B. Now, with that being said, if you're in Bio B, means you must have meant that you got through Bio A, and this is going to be just kind of a additional class onto that, okay? We're just going to keep going forward. Now, we're not going to go through the whole syllabus, but the syllabus is attached to day one on the assessment on Google Classroom. So we're going to go through parts of it. I'm going to kind of break down some stuff for you, just kind of tell you guys what I expect on a daily routine, all those different pieces. Now, I want to just talk about this green box over here where it says tips for distance learning. Okay, guys, you need to set up your routine for yourself. So make sure you guys know that you're going to have to do school every day. Make sure you know when your due dates are. Make sure you're going to Google Classroom, all those different things. If I was you, I recommend setting up an area, guys, just so this is like your workspace. Okay, whether that be a table, a desk, a ledge, something to make sure that you understand, like, yep, when I'm here, I'm working. Okay. Now, you're still going to need paper and pencil for this class, guys, because there's still going to be note sections that have to be written. Now, enough talking. Let's scroll on. If we go to daily points, guys, right here, daily points are going to be 20% of your grade, and this is going to be part of your attendance. So every day at 7 o'clock a.m., I know in here it says 9 o'clock a.m., but I'm going to assign them just a little bit earlier. But every day at 7 o'clock a.m., a daily assignment is going to be popped up onto your Google Classroom. And that Google assignment or the assignment that's going to be posted to you is going to be due at 2:30 p.m. on that same day. Now, the reason for this is that I can then take attendance. So you're responsible to still be in class every single day, and that way you will get daily points. Okay? I'll show you guys what that looks like in a little bit. Now, on a weekly basis, you are going to get a weekly assessment, which is going to be one larger homework assignment. And this is going to make up the majority of your grade. This is going to be 70% of your grade, and it's going to be called homework. Now, this is going to pop up, guys, on Wednesday at 3 o'clock p.m. This assessment will then be due on Friday of that same week at 2:30 p.m. Okay, so it gives you Wednesday night, Thursday morning, Thursday night, and then Friday morning to make sure you guys finish up this assessment. Okay? And then the last chunk of your grade will be called final project. And this is actually going to make up 10% of your grade. This is going to be a cumulative piece of your final or cumulative part of your grade. But it's only 10%, guys. And we'll talk about this more as we get closer. Now, as far as late work policy goes, it's going to be 60%, which is the same thing that you guys would see in Biology A. But everything's going to be due at Sunday of the same week at 11:59 p.m. Okay? So the first week, which is that Friday is on April 3rd, all of your assignments that are late are going to be due on April 5th at 11:59 p.m. Okay, and they'll be due for 60% credit. Now, for course and communication resources, guys, I highly recommend you just call me, or my bad, don't call me, but just email me. My email is right here. I will respond to all the emails as quickly as I possibly can. If you guys call me, there's no guarantee I'm going to be in school. Okay, and that number right there is for my school number. But if you guys email me and you still need to talk to me or do anything like that, we're going to use a couple different resources. And I'll kind of talk about these later as well. So I'll probably be using Google Meet or I'll be using Google Hangout. Either of those things, guys, are kind of like a video server or just a call server. So you guys can ask me questions directly rather than emailing. Because I know sometimes you guys just like to discuss things. So I'll set up office hours. I'll set up those different pieces for you guys so we can talk and discuss about those pieces at that time. Now, I do want to go to my Google Classroom just so you guys can kind of see what's going on. So you guys should be on 3:30 day one. You guys probably have something that looks just like this and it popped up for you. Okay, and it says, welcome, today's checklist and blah, 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 blah. Beautiful. So the first thing you guys are doing is watching this intro video. And that's the video you're watching right now as I talk. Okay. Then it says you have Google Forms 3:30 day one check-in assignment. Then it gives you the due date. Okay. And I make those headings the same as the title down in the search bar. Okay. Then after that, it gives you the homework. Now the homework is going to help you for the next day's next day's assignment. Okay, so we have the DNA structure and function, and then we also have additional notes, guys, that are attached for you. Okay, I will also do my best on every video day to kind of give you like a little tip, like focus on taking notes on this or focus on that. Okay, just so you guys can have some type of guidance for those daily pieces. Okay, now these will just keep popping up periodically as we keep going. Okay, so if there's any questions, concerns, issues, problems, anything like that, please let me know. At the end of every week, guys, I'm going to kind of just talk to you and be like, what did I do right this week? What did I do wrong this week? What can we do better? I know for some of you guys, this is not ideal. And some of you guys are like, heck yeah, I don't have to come to school. But this is not the most, let me rephrase that. This is not the easiest thing for a teacher to do because we're just planning on everything being online now. Okay. For me, guys, this is not what I enjoy doing. I'd rather see you guys joke with you and do all those different pieces. So please let me know how things are going. I'll do my best to make sure everything goes smoothly and you guys get a good education throughout this process. Okay. But if I'm going to be working hard, trying to get everything up for you and do other things like that, please just return the favor and work at least a little bit hard for me. Other than that, welcome to class. This is day 1 of the next however many weeks we're doing this. Okay. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good night. Bye.